Hi everyone. In this video I want to speak about this amazing demo that has been built by the Kudos team to show how to run Flink and Kafka on Kubernetes, and to do that in the context of a financial fraud demo. I wanted to record a video on that because it shows how to run this software on Kubernetes, but also because it shows a lot of other interesting aspects of Kudo. So for people who don't know, Kudo is a universal declarative operator for Kubernetes. It's very interesting the way you build operators with Kudo because you just use YAML. So it's very different from what you can do with other operator SDKs. And what we'll do in this video is we'll go through the demo, but we'll also look at the source code of these operators. And it's very interesting because it is built in YAML. It's very easy for someone who didn't write the operator itself to understand how the operator works. So what we do here is that first of all we need to deploy Kudo, which is something I've already done in my cluster, and then we need to just do a Kudo install Zookeeper here with the skip instance, because we will not currently deploy it. It's the demo that will deploy it itself, and you'll understand why in a minute. So we just go and run this command. Basically that just download what we call the operator version of this version of Zookeeper, and then we do the same for Kafka, and we do the same for Flink. So here we have three Kudo operators, one for Zookeeper, one for Kafka, one for having a Flink cluster. And normally we should have just done like Kudo install Zookeeper to deploy Zookeepers, and Kudo install Kafka to deploy it, and the same for Flink. And then as you can see in the demo, we would have like deployed like some extra pods to generate loads and to display the result of our fraud analysis. But in this case, and this is what makes this demo in my opinion amazing, is that the demo itself is an operator. And the demo itself is an operator that you find here in the operator repository. And before I show you the code of this demo, I want first to show you the source code of one of these operators, so the Zookeeper one. So when you look at the Zookeeper one, you have these param files that reference all the parameters you can specify, like the CPU, the memory, and so on. Then there is this operator.yaml that shows the logic of how to deploy and maintain this operator. So here you see there is a deployment plan with two phases, one for Zookeeper, one for the validation. And the first one deploy Zookeeper with two tasks, the infra and the app task. And the second one just validates that Zookeeper has been deployed correctly. And basically that means that it will not end up, this deploy phase will not end until Zookeeper is deployed and operational. And then for each task, basically you have the corresponding YAML files that you can find here in the template folder. And you can look, for example, at the stateful set, and you see the different parameters that we get from the params files. So very interesting the way you can understand easily how this operator has been built. But to run the demo itself, you see that you have to run this command, and I'll just do it now so you understand how everything works. And basically I can follow the status of the deployment of the different steps, but what I want to show you is the status of the deployment of this demo. And what's very interesting here is that the demo itself is an operator. and you see the same way you have a deployment plan with a phase dependencies that deploys Zookeeper and Kafka, another dependency, another phase that is deploying the Flink cluster, another phase that deploys the demo, and the last one that deploys the Flink job. So it's so easy to create CUDO operators that you can even use CUDO to encode the logic of your own application. That itself can use operators. And to understand why you can do that way, you can just simply look at one of these components, these other operators deployed by the demo. And if I go there, I see that I have the Zookeeper one that has already been completed. If I just look at get pods, I see that it's already deploying Kafka, but you see the Zookeeper one. And the way it works behind the scene is that you have this notion of custom resource definition. So if I just go to do that for CUDO, and I can do a kubectl get instances, for example, and I see that the Zookeeper operator here instance can describe here. So you can create, you can deploy Zookeeper by doing like a kubectl CUDO install Zookeeper, but you can also do it by just creating an instance here, a CUDO instance. So that allows you to do what is being done in this demo here. So if I look at the demo operator itself, I see the description here of the different phases. Like I said before, there is one that is, for example, deploying Zookeeper, and then a step for Kafka, and so on. And if I look at the Zookeeper one, I can see that this is using this resource zookeeper.yaml. So if I go there and open this file, you'll see how it works, and this is where the magic happens, because basically all you need to deploy an operator is to create an instance object. Then you can create an instance object inside another operator. So now I can get my full demo deployed by CUDO itself. And this is really what I really love about CUDO, this way you can even launch other operators from an operator and build a more complex logic. And if I now take a look at my full demo, I see that the Flink cluster is in progress. So again, I can take a look at the progress of the deployment of the Flink cluster. So here I see that this cluster has been deployed as well. So I can do kubectl get pods and see that everything should be up and running, even the other phases, and I can check that here again. So that's my full demo is now deployed correctly, and I can do a kubectl proxy and access the Flink job manager. And you see here I have my job that is running, and basically the last thing you do in this demo is that you look at the logs of this container here, and you'll be able to see if frauds have been detected here, and you see like I have a lot of the frauds that have been detected. So to summarize, what I wanted to show in this video is obviously this amazing demo that the Kudos team have done, and the fact that you can run Flink and Kafka easily on Kubernetes with the Kudos operators. But even more important, in my opinion, I wanted to show you that you can even encode your the logic of your application in using Kudo, and that can then have some dependencies, and these dependencies can be some other operators. And if you are fine, you are done, you finished your demo, then what's nice is that you can do like take a look at the different instances that are running today now. And if I just do a kubectl delete instance, because I have deployed this demo through Kudo, I should be able to see that everything is going to be removed and deleted. So on one side, you can now encode the logic of your application and automate the deployment of the different components with some logic, some dependencies, and so on. But then, when you're done, you can clean up your the full environment just by deleting the parent instance that has deployed everything else. And now, if I just look at the get instances, I don't even see the other ones because there are dependencies on the parent one, and the parent one has been deleted. So everything is now being removed by the Kudo controller. Thanks for watching the video.